all the species have their own right to exist. We humans should not cause voluntary extinction of them. Biodiversity preserves different cultures and spiritual heritage. Yes, in this video, we are going to see some quick informations on biodiversity. Let us check into them.
Biodiversity is a term used to describe the enormous variety of life on Earth. It can be used more specifically to refer all the species in one region or ecosystem. It encompasses every living thing including plants, bacteria, animals and humans.
There are three types of biodiversity. The first one is genetic diversity, and the second one is species diversity, and the third one is ecosystem diversity. Rapid environment changes typically cause extinctions, so the different varieties of animals and plants that lives in the land and ocean should be protected.
Conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity is fundamental of ecological sustainable development. Biodiversity is a part of our daily lives and livelihood. It constitutes resource upon which families, communities, nations and other future generations depend upon.
Diversity is measured by two major components, species richness and species evenness. Species richness is the number of species found in a community. Species evenness denotes the proportion of species at given site. It is important to conserve all the species to maintain food web.
The building blocks of plants, animal and human beings are identical. They are made up of four elements that are carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. These elements are present in the environment in air, water and soil. Every living creature is found in food chain. There are several types of food chain. They may be simple or complex based upon the environment.
There are two methods of biodiversity conservation, ex situ conservations and in situ conservations. Conserving the biodiversity outside the area where they naturally occur known as the ex situ conservations, example, botanical garden and zoological park.
In situ conservation is conserving the animals and plants in their natural habitats. They are national parks, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves.
Do you know, loss of biodiversity in a certain region may lead to deterioration of plant productivity and decreased resistance to environmental issues like drought, global warming, etc. High variability in a certain ecosystem possesses plant productivity, water loss and pest and disease cycle.
The causes of loss of biodiversity are habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitations, alien species inventions, coexistence, and we play an important role in biodiversity conservation, that is protection, upliftment and management of biodiversity to derive sustainable benefits for present and future generations.
Biodiversity conservation is very important. As a humans, we depend upon the nature for so much of economical benefits such as food, fiber, medicine, etc. The Amazon rainforest provides 20% of the total atmospheric oxygen. The bees, butterflies and birds are our prime pollinating agents in our ecosystem. These are our biological legacies which should be passed on to the future generation. So, save biodiversity, save nature.
Do you have any idea about Indian biodiversity? India is one of the most diverse nations in the world. It ranks 9th in the plant species richness. India has equal diverse in their faunal wealth, such that it consists of 91,000 species of animals. Two of the world's biodiversity hotspots are also found in India. The economic importance of biological diversity is that it acts as a reservoir for the manufacture of products such as food, cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. The national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are the source of tourism. They become the beauty and the joy for most of the people. So protecting the joy throughout the life is very important.
The economic importance of biodiversity is that it is a reservoir of resource for the manufacture of food, cosmetic products and pharmaceuticals. Crops, livestock, fishery and forest are rich source of food. Wood, fiber, perfumes, lubricant, rubber, resin, poison, and coke are all derived from different plant species. The national parks and sanctuaries are a source of tourism. They are a source of beauty and joy for many people. Thus, the protecting joy throughout is important. Biodiversity plays a vital role in providing oxygen and fresh air, so it is essential to ensure the richness of biodiversity for the existence of future generations and all the organisms living on the planet. Thank you.
Loss of biodiversity occurs when a particular species is destroyed or the habitat that is required for their essential living is damaged. This is due to some natural causes like floods, landslides, earthquakes, and lack of pollination and diseases. The extinction of species also takes place when they are exploited for the economic gain, and it is due to some man-made causes like habitat destruction, hunting and poaching, filling in the wetlands, pollution, etc.